I've just picked up these beautiful RCA plugs made by Viborg. Let's have a look at the back. These are pure copper, silver plated, high performance audio grade connectors. And these are from China, but now Hi-Fi Collective in Milton Keynes, Buckinghamshire, are now stocking these. Let's have a look at the inside at them. They're beautiful plugs. The back housing is aluminium, and you can see here it's got a lovely connectors on the end there for the center pin and 2 grounds. So if you're looking for a really nice set of RCA plugs, these work out to around about £28. That's including the VAT, and they're stocked at Hi-Fi Collective.